In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Reddit history. If you want to quickly review the posts, comments, and activity associated with a Reddit account, the process is very simple once you know where to look. This can be useful if you want to revisit something you interacted with earlier, keep track of your own activity, or just better understand how profile navigation works on Reddit. To get started, open Reddit and make sure you're on the main interface. If you're already signed in, that's perfect, because checking your history is easiest when you're logged into your account. If you're trying to view your own activity, being logged in is essential, since your history is tied directly to your profile. Once you're on Reddit, go to your profile area and select View Profile. This takes you to the main page for your account, where Reddit organizes your public activity and account-related sections in one place. If you're using the desktop version, this option is usually available from your profile menu in the upper area of the screen. On mobile, the layout may look a little different, but the wording is generally similar. So just look for the profile section and then open it. After you arrive on your profile page, find and click History. This is the section that allows you to review your past activity. Depending on the version of Reddit you're using, the history area may include content you've recently viewed or interacted with, and it helps you retrace what you've been doing on the platform without having to search for everything manually again. As you browse through your history, take a moment to notice how Reddit separates different kinds of activity. In some cases, you may see viewed posts, recent interactions, or other profile-related records. If something doesn't appear exactly where you expect it, it may be because Reddit updates its layout from time to time, so the placement of buttons or tabs can shift slightly. The key path to remember is to open your profile first, then go into history. One helpful tip is to check whether you're in the correct account if you use more than one Reddit login. If the history looks unfamiliar or incomplete, you may simply be viewing the wrong profile. Also, if you're switching between desktop and mobile, keep in mind that the menu names are usually the same even if the design changes a bit. And that's all there is to it. Open Reddit, go to View Profile, and click History to check your Reddit history quickly and easily.